Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 32nd tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to check out some dictionary functions. And the first method that we're going to have a look at is the length function again, and we're going to see how it works with dictionaries. So I have to create a dictionary first, and just to refresh your memory, you create a dictionary by using curly braces in Python, right? So let's say I want to call my dictionary movies. I'll type in movies and then the assignment operator, and within curly braces I can just have key value relationships, content that I want my dictionary to hold. So let's say I want to have year values as keys, and I want to have movies that released in those years as values. So let's say I want to have 1994 as a key, and a movie that released in 1994, Pulp Fiction, right? So I'll type in Pulp Fiction there, and then let's say I want to have another key value relationship, so I'll put in a comma here, and I'll type in 1997, and a movie that released in 1997, Seven I guess released in 1997, so I'll type in that. And then let's say you want to have 2000 as a key, and a movie that released in the year 2000, my favorite was Castaway. But actually there's a very tough call to make between Castaway and Gladiator, but I think I'll still go with Castaway. And then let's say you want to have 2006 as a key, and my favorite movie that year, well, it was obviously Blood Diamond for me, so I'll type in that. And then I'll press the enter key to create my dictionary, right? So it's there now. I can see the contents by simply typing in the name of the dictionary and pressing the enter key. So there we go. I have 2000, Castaway, 1994, Pulp Fiction, 1997, Seven, 2006, Blood Diamond, right? And the elements are returned, or the key value relationships are returned in a random order always. And now let's say I wish to find out the number of elements that I have, or the number of key value relationships that I have in this dictionary. I'll type in len, and within parentheses pass the name of my dictionary, and I get the result as 4. So the best way in which you can describe this result is by saying that there are 4 key value associations or key value relationships in this dictionary. And you could also say that there are 4 keys or there are 4 values, but as I said, the best way to describe this is that there are 4 key value associations. And we can also just check out the keys in the dictionary, and we know how to do this. We use the keys method, and we've checked this out earlier in the course, but again, I'll refresh your memory. So movies, and then put in a dot, and then keys and empty parentheses. So I just see the keys now: 2000, 994, 1997, and 2006, right? And then let's say I just want to see the values, right? So I'll type in movies, and then values after a dot, and then empty parentheses, and there we go. This time we just see the values. So Castaway, Pulp Fiction, Seven, and Blood Diamond. Now let's say you want to add some more keys and some more values to your dictionary, and let's say there's another dictionary that has some key value associations, and you want to add the contents of the second dictionary to your movies dictionary. So let's create another dictionary first, and I'll call this new, and again I'll use curly braces, and let's say I want to add the key 1972 to it, and a movie that released that year, The Godfather, right? So I'll type in that, and let's say I want to have 1980 as a key, and a movie that released that year, Raging Bull. And again I'll put in a comma and have one more key value association, 2004, and a movie that released that year, The Aviator. Okay, and I'll press the enter key to create my dictionary. I can check out the contents by simply typing the name and pressing the enter key: 1980, Raging Bull; 1972, The Godfather; 2004, The Aviator. So let's say I want to add these 3 key value associations to my dictionary movies. I do that by typing in the name of my first dictionary, or the target destination dictionary, whatever you want to call it. Follow that up with a dot, and then the name of the function update, and within parentheses pass in the name of the dictionary, the contents of which you want to add to the movies dictionary. So that in this case is new. And when I press the enter key and check out the contents of movies, now I see that it has these values: 2000 Castaway, and 2006 Blood Diamond. It has Pulp Fiction, and it has Seven, but it also has 1972 The Godfather, it has 1980 The Raging Bull, and it also has 2004 The Aviator. So the contents of the dictionary new have been added to the contents of the dictionary movies. The last method that we're going to check out in this tutorial and in this course about dictionaries is the clear method, and this method is used to clear the contents of a dictionary. So if I use it with the movies method, I'll type in movies and then the name of the function clear and press the enter key after a pair of empty parentheses. And now if I check out the contents of movies, I see that I get a pair of curly braces, but I don't see any content, and that's because all the contents have been erased, right? So that's it for now. In the next tutorial, we're going to check out something interesting again about Python, and I hope you guys are having a good time programming in Python, and it's such an interesting language. You can never get bored of it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and happy programming.